Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable C. Ravi Shankar ji, Honorable Minister Panchayat Raj, Additional Secretary Government of India, senior officers of the state, members of the press, volunteers who have come from different districts, other participants, ladies and gentlemen. I deem it a great privilege to welcome you all to this workshop on model villages for good governance, which is being organized by General Administration Department in collaboration with Government of India. The workshop embodies the commitment of the government to provide excellent service to the people, in particular those who are weak and vulnerable, by modernizing the governance system and by associating the stakeholders and people effectively in the delivery system. The overall objective, as has been mentioned by my previous speaker, is poverty reduction. In a small way, we had begun implementing this idea about a year ago in a few districts with an objective of breaking the silos of the departments, training the community to work together in a cooperative fashion, and building partnership between government agencies and the community. Training and capacity building of the volunteers and the people forms the core of this strategy. We have drawn useful lessons out of our experience with positive outcomes from this experiment. The idea of scaling up effectively will be planned systematically. I must highlight that this program, in essence, offers a bottom-up approach to faster and inclusive development with voluntary association of the people. It aims at the creation of cadre of trained volunteers with the help of Art of Living organization, who will supplement the efforts of the extension workers in the field, particularly in the areas of agriculture, animal husbandry, fishery, forestry, health, education, banking, drinking water, and sanitation, etc. The volunteers will provide the valuable link between the government and the people. They will facilitate settlement of grievances of the people and also social audit of the programs and schemes to enhance accountability in the governance system. They will reorganize the production systems to boost the forces of economic growth in the village level, particularly in the areas of agriculture and village industry. Thus, this partnership of community and government will ensure faster growth and good governance through effective convergence, transparency, and accountability. I am happy to share that our development champions in the districts, district collectors, project directors, DRDA, BDOs, are bringing, along with the volunteers, are bringing innovative approaches to the model village program with the help of trained volunteers. The contribution of the Art of Living organization in training programs has been very crucial to this initiative. With their program of 8 days training at the state level and 3 days at the village level, people are getting transformational experience and new perspective to serve others with compassion and love. I would like to compliment everyone who is associated with this program. Their hard work and valuable experience would show a new way of improving governance and can be a very good example not only in the state but in the country. This workshop is a step in the right direction to strengthen the program by facilitating exchange of ideas and suggestions to be more innovative in future. I thank the organizers, for particularly Government of India, for organizing this workshop and implementing this scheme in the state. Thank you.